Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today, I'll be teaching you on how to use coins on AliExpress. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is we have to unlock all of the essential features tied to the coin system. Once logged in, head straight to the coin section. This is where you find vital information about your current coin balance. So if you're starting with no coins, don't worry. You can kickstart your collection by tapping on the collect button. Okay, and then this simple action adds coins to your account. So for those eager to accumulate more coins, explore the earn more coins option. Now let's move on to the choosing the product you wish to purchase. Navigate through AliExpress and find the item that catches your eye. As you explore products, pay attention to the offer discount percentage. This figure represents the amount you can save when using your accumulated coins. So hit the buy now option after choosing your product associated with your chosen product. So this one right here, this buy now option. Okay, as you proceed to the payment stage, you'll encounter the options to use your accumulated coins for a substantial discount. Take advantage of this feature to save big on your purchase. Is to confirm your order by tapping buy now, and then once again the final step ensures that your chosen item is secured and your discount is applied. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.